Over the past few days, a handful of new Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks have surfaced, and while some of them reinforce what we already expected from Samsung's next flagship, a few others quietly suggest that the company might be rethinking how it positions the Ultra model within the lineup. Taken together, these updates paint a much more interesting picture than just another yearly spec bump. Let's start with what has quickly become the defining feature of the S26 Ultra, Samsung's new privacy display. Up until now, the assumption was that this would be one of those Ultra-only features Samsung uses to clearly separate the top-tier model from the rest of the lineup. However, recent findings suggest that may not be the case at all. Developer Josh Skinner managed to access Samsung's Tips app that's intended for the Galaxy S26 Plus by running it on an older Galaxy device through spoofing, and inside that app, he discovered the exact same privacy display and description that previously appeared only in the S26 Ultra version. That detail is important because it strongly implies that Samsung is planning to bring this feature to all three S26 models, not just the Ultra. This lines up perfectly with a recent South Korean report claiming the entire S26 lineup will feature the privacy display technology, which would be a notable shift in Samsung's usual strategy of keeping display innovations locked behind the Ultra branding. That said, this does not mean existing phones like the S25 Ultra will eventually receive the feature through a software update. The privacy display relies on Samsung's Flex Magic Pixel OLED panel, which is a hardware-level implementation. So, if the display itself doesn't support it, no amount of software tweaking is going to make it appear later on. Another area where expectations are starting to clash with reality is charging speed. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's internal lab testing shows the Galaxy S26 Ultra reaching around 75% battery in 30 minutes using its new 60 watts wired charging. On paper, that sounds decent, until you compare it with the current S25 Ultra, which already hits roughly 72% in the same time, but with 45 watts charging. When you step back and look at that comparison, the numbers don't really add up. A 15-watt increase should translate into a far more noticeable improvement, closer to the mid-80% range under similar conditions. So either these figures are being reported without full context, or Samsung's charging curve is far more conservative than expected. Either way, this is one area where we'll need clearer, real-world data before drawing any final conclusions. Lastly, we also have new confirmation on the launch timeline, and it's coming from one of the most reliable tipster in the industry. A Korean report initially pointed to February 25 as the unpacked date for the Galaxy S26 series, but now Evan Blass has independently confirmed that exact date. As it stands, Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy S26 lineup on February 25, with availability expected to follow in early March, assuming the company sticks to its usual release pattern. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.